Hey brothers, do you ever look in the mirror and feel like you look older than you actually are? Like your age says one thing, but your face, your style, your energy say something else. Do people ever tell you, "I thought you were older"? If that's happening, don't worry. It's not genetics and it's not too late. Today, I'm going to show you the glow-up mistakes that make men look older than they are, and how to fix them fast. Let's start with the biggest one, your hair and grooming. A bad haircut or an overgrown, unshaped hairstyle instantly adds years to your face. Hair that's too long on the sides, too flat on top, or poorly styled makes your face drop visually. The fix is simple. Cleaner sides, some volume on top, and a style that matches your face shape. You don't need a trendy cut, you need a controlled one. The moment your hair looks intentional, you look younger. Next mistake, your beard or facial hair. This is huge. A messy beard, uneven stubble, or a beard that's too long for your face shape can drag your features down. Many men think more beard equals more masculinity, but that's not always true. Sometimes trimming it shorter, cleaning the neckline, or even going clean-shaven for a while makes your face look sharper and younger instantly. Facial hair should frame your face, not hide it. Now let's talk about clothes, because this one destroys glow-ups without men realizing it. Oversized, baggy clothes with low shoulders and no structure make you look sloppy and tired. That "I don't care" look ages you fast. Clothes that fit your shoulders, sit properly on your waist, and don't hang off your body instantly upgrade your appearance. You don't need expensive outfits, you need better fit. Fit equals youth. Another mistake, bad posture, slouched shoulders, head forward, chest closed. This body language screams low energy and stress. And stress makes you look older. The fix costs nothing. Shoulders back, chest open, head up. The moment you stand correctly, your face looks more confident, your neck looks cleaner, and your whole presence changes. Posture is one of the fastest glow-up hacks there is. Let's talk about skin. Dry, irritated, or neglected skin adds years to your face. You don't need a 10-step routine, you need consistency. Cleanse gently, moisturize daily, protect your skin barrier. When your skin looks calm and healthy, you look younger, even if you have lines or texture. Youth is about health, not perfection. Now here's one most guys ignore, your energy and facial expression. Walking around with a tired, tense face makes you look older. Stress shows on your face before it shows anywhere else. Relax your jaw, breathe slower, and stop carrying tension in your expression. Calm confidence is youthful. Constant tension is aging. Another big one, your style choices. Wearing outdated styles, old sneakers, or worn-out basics drags your look backward. You don't need trends. You need clean, modern basics. Neutral colors, simple layers, and clean shoes make you look fresh and current. Current equals younger. So let's put it all together. If you want to stop looking older than you are, fix these things first. Clean haircut, controlled facial hair, fitted clothes, good posture, basic skincare, calm energy, and simple modern style. These aren't extreme changes, but together, they create a massive glow-up. Remember, brothers, looking younger isn't about chasing youth. It's about removing the things that are aging you unnecessarily. When you take care of yourself, your face reflects it. If you want more real glow-up advice, men's style upgrades, and confidence-building routines, stay strong and follow us. Subscribe, keep improving, and let's level up together. You've got this.